In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Calendar into Notion, a task that can significantly streamline your productivity by centralizing your schedules and tasks. First, let's head over to Notion, which can be your hub for wikis, documentation, and project management. If you're not already on your homepage, go ahead and click on the Login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the Notion website. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Notion home, where all your pages and workspaces reside. Now, once you're in your Notion home, locate and click on the page where you'd like to embed your Google Calendar. This could be an existing page you use for daily planning, or perhaps a new page dedicated to organizing your calendar events. After navigating to your chosen page, we're ready for the main part of the tutorial. Within your selected Notion page, we're going to utilize a simple command that makes integrating external content straightforward. Click anywhere on the page and type the / symbol. This will bring up a variety of command options. In our case, we're interested in the embed action. So type that in, embed, and select it from the drop-down options. With the embed option now activated on your page, we are at the critical step, fetching and embedding your Google Calendar link. Hop over to your Google Calendar in a new tab or window. You'll need to obtain the specific link to embed your calendar into Notion. Once you have your Google Calendar open, go to the settings for the calendar you want to embed. Here, look for the Integrate Calendar section. You should find an embed code or a URL labeled something similar to public URL to this calendar. Copy that URL to your clipboard. Returning to your Notion page, in the newly created embed block, paste the URL you just copied from the Google Calendar settings. Simply paste it in and then hit enter. What should happen next is quite impressive. Notion recognizes the URL as an external content link and right away incorporates your Google Calendar into the page. You'll see it appear as an interactive element directly within Notion. Congratulations! You have just imported your Google Calendar into Notion, simplifying your workflow by keeping all important dates and schedules at your fingertips. Using this method, you can coordinate your calendar seamlessly with notes and projects in Notion, leading to a more integrated and organized digital work environment. Keep practicing with other links and tools Notion supports, and you'll be a pro at embedding useful content in no time.